Keep going. A little more. Yep, keep going. That should be good. You want to give it a little rev for before and after? All right. New catbacks are in. Yes, sir. You can give it a little blip. It's louder. Full stock, just a catback. I'm gonna go for a quick spin, see what it sounds like in the car.
Stock is very quiet, so I'll keep you awake.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Pretty good.
Could probably pull a quick left, and then there's like a mile where you can turn around. All these people love to cut this turn, and then they get mad at you for like slightly inching forward. I've almost been in a head-on collision here once because the guy was just like Formula One racing into the corner. That's some sound.
Yeah.
And now if you just like cruise it, it's all right.
It's not too loud or anything.
As long as you're happy.
Yeah, I like it.
Like not afraid to just take a UE.
Yeah.
That was a black squirrel. It had like an afro. He had like a little afro. He was so cute, man.
There's a lot of my neighborhood.
Run, little guy.
Protected.
Yeah, like even cruising this speed, it's not bad.
I like that I can hear it.
Uh-huh.
And it's not obnoxious. I was kind of afraid it was going to be super, super loud.
No, the catalytic converter quiets down a lot of stuff in the exhaust.
Okay.
For sure. It does and it also kills a lot of the gas smells that, you know, fully straight piped cars have, the stinky smells. Yeah, it's not bad.